A major gift just came in, $500. It landed in a report nobody opened until next week. Big moments deserve a real-time cheer. The idea: when a big gift lands, post it straight to your team's Slack channel. In Charitable, add a webhook and pick the Slack template. Choose the new donation event and paste the incoming webhook URL from Slack. On the Conditions tab, add one rule: donation total greater than $250, so only the big gifts fire. Save, then open Test and Debug and send a real request to confirm a green success. In Slack, create an incoming webhook for your channel. That is the URL you pasted. Now a major gift posts to your channel in seconds with the donor, the amount, and the campaign. Small gifts stay quiet, so the alert always means something. Your team celebrates together and no big supporter goes unthanked. Have an automation you'd like us to build next? Reach our team anytime at wpcharitable.com. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.